And a quick buzzer. They only had a second to shoot itong Rain or Shine the Laughter Painters.
Alam mo yung partner, it was below 1 second already.
Right,
Hindi na lang nagpupunta sa zero yun. Because I thought that the shot clock would run out there. Swerte pa nga sila, may natira pa ng konti.
Muntik na maagaw ni Oiloan. Casio keeps it. Goes over to Baguio in rhythm ang tira. Hindi pumasok, bakbakan sa rebound. Toss and Abueva were fighting for it. And the ball will go back the other way to Rain or Shine. Chance ipababa lamang. It's just a 3-point lead. They can even tie it with a 3-point shot or 3-point play. Under 7 minutes remaining here. In the fourth and final quarter, this is the first game of a doubleheader on PBA Friday. Norwood wants to tie it up. Unable to do it on that three.
Saan ang tira na yun? Actually, like I said, Norwood's been excessively taking a lot of shots in this ball game.
Some contact there, no call. Chan will attack.
Wala rin.
He's hollering at the referee. Para sa tawag, Baguio. Para kay Examiniano, iniwan ng bola. They reset it. Nilabas muna ng Aces.
Actually, yan, may tirang 3-point shot. But, you know, that's not his role on this team. Kaya he decided to give it up.
The whole Rain or Shine bench still in the, still
bad
standing
pass.
up. Oh, ito na. Nahagis palabas yung bola. No one there to receive it. And Rain or Shine really still in protest mode. Hindi nila appreciate yung no call doon sa drive ni Jeff Chan a while ago. Here's Paul Lee. We knew he would be reinserted into the lineup.
I think Eric Meng should be inserted into the lineup also. He's about to come in. No?
The curl, Paul Lee. Depensa ni Examiniano, talagang in his face. But Lee will drive. Hook shot para sa kanya. No goal. Norwood all alone on the other side.
Calvin Abueva helping out, and that left his man wide open for the follow-up shot.
Sa dalang naman ng Alaska. Abueva all the way to the hoop.
Alam niya siya may kasalanan nun, kaya gusto niya bawi kagad.
Bawi ka agad.
Ganun talaga ang klase ng style ng laro ni Calvin. Bawi kagad.
It's almost predictable, di ba? Pag medyo nagkamali siya on the other side, he will attack the other way. Jeff Chan's three is short. Casio sisig Examiniano, head of the back. Examiniano na foul pa ni Oiloan. Basket pa yan. That's the second time Oiloan have done that here in the fourth quarter.
Well, now they're getting their share of the fast break attempts na yung nahuhuli, yung mga dating ng mga safety guard. Yeah, may foul. And then he gathers and goes for the shot.
Continuation yun. Yan ang ating Mang Juan Pinoy play of the half mula kay Pink Examiniano. 100% galing ng Pinoy mula sa Mang Juan. Back with sarap ng Pinoy. Napasok pa yung bonus free throw, Dr. J. Balik sa 6 ang lamang ng Aces.
Like I said, this guy can score, but he doesn't have the mentality of a scorer. Pero bigyan mo siya pagkakataon. Magaling pa nga 3-point shot niya pag naset niya.
It's a former FU Tamarang.
Yeah, I know him well. I've watched him.
Belga's jumper, no go. And Eric Meng, nakuha ang rebound. 5 minutes to go. 5:02 to be exact. Casio, hindi ka naman maagaw. And Abueva, right idea. Yung execution lang, napalakas ang pasa. And Alaska Aces call a timeout. 4:57 remaining here at the Big Dome.